Hello friends, welcome back to Manda's Kitchen. Let's prepare our tasty egg masala. Take 2 chilies, handful of coriander, 1 tomato and 1 onion. Chop all the ingredients. Let's prepare our green masala. Into a blender, add in the chopped onion, coriander and blend it. Use water if required. A green masala is ready. Blend 1 tomato in a blender. Our tomato puree is ready. Boil 6 to 7 eggs. Transfer them to a container. Add in 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. Mix them thoroughly. Coat all the eggs with the masala. Into a kadai, add 1 tablespoon oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the eggs. Fry the eggs on low to medium heat. Stir the eggs, else they will stick to the bottom. Fry till golden brown. Our eggs are ready. Transfer them to a container. Into a kadai, add in 1 tablespoon oil, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom and 2 to 3 cloves. Add in 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw taste vanishes. Now add in 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder. Fry the masala on low heat. Add in the green paste. Fry the paste for 2 minutes. Once oil is separated, add in the tomato puree. Cook for another 2 minutes. Add salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder and give it a mix. Add in water as required. Here I am adding half glass water. Bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add the eggs. Here I have sliced the eggs. Mix it gently and cook for another 1 minute. Our egg masala is ready. Switch off the flame. Garnish it with coriander and serve. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share your comments below. If you want more such recipes, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.